Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, just got a delivery. These should be my Begonia tubers. Let's just have a look, shall we? Oh, nothing more satisfying. Here we go. There. Yay! I've got one. There. 2, 3. So we'll look at these, shall we? Now, turn the camera around. Sorry about this. So first of all, we have Begonia double mixed. There's 3 in there. So 3. When you're buying begonias, always, I'll show you what to do. Always check the tubers. When I'm in the store, I like to see what they feel like. Show you. Right, that's one of your tubers. You'll always want the bulb part and the recess part. The recess part is at the top, and that part onto the compost. You want to put the compost level with the bulb all the way around, and leave that piece out. But yeah, that feels great, nice and firm. So does that one. And so does that one. So they're all fine. That's just how you check them. On one side. These are right I've not grown before. Non-stop orange. So I'm looking forward to growing these. Let's have a look at these, shall we? 3 in these again. Just check them. Bit of a mess, bit's worth it. Yep, that's fine. So is that one. And so is that one. So they're all great. Right, just this one. This is another variety from the hanging baskets. Cascade White, we'll forward to growing this. Fill them in the packet, they all feel fine. So that's just unboxing of begonias. So if you've got any questions about begonias, please don't hesitate to leave me a message or ask me. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up. And happy selling, happy growing. Thank you, bye.